We are sitting here in the engineering block at Wynberg Boys High School. This is an initiative that we started in 2018, and it was to build a technical facility with all the right equipment and all the right facilities in a normal academic school.
The purpose of having an engineering and design faculty at Weinberg was really to offer another stream of subjects that are different to what we currently have, a lot more practical, hands-on, and also geared to what we believe is a shortage of skills in South Africa, gearing to equip people for that gap that we see in the industry.
What we're offering over here are technical subjects alongside maths, science and engineering graphic design. There are rooms for engineering graphic design, construction, digital electronics and electronics.
From a young age, I've always taken an interest in making and building things. The design process, just from planning it to holding it in your hands in the end, is just hugely rewarding to me. Because of the faculty and the practical approach that's taken in learning, I'm now completely convinced of it as a career path. I think it's amazing how I've learned all aspects from counting screws to the reinforcement of concrete.
The purpose of the facility is to bring the technical and engineering faculty into the school curriculum. Wynberg Boys is the first project of its kind, and what we want to do is give the children the opportunity to have the choice at school to be able to go and learn a trade or have the technical skills to follow their dreams to become an engineer or an architect or a tradesman. To create this facility is opening the doors for our children to feed the economic growth in South Africa.
In 1994, the subjects that we used to offer at a school like Weinberg, like woodwork and metalwork, were taken out of the curriculum and they were only offered at technical schools. And there are lots of students at schools such as Wynberg Boys that are really desperate and keen to do technical subjects, but they also want to have the advantage of going to a mainstream school where they can take part in the extramural program, the cultural program, and all other programs offered at normal academic school.
It offers boys that are more geared to working with their hands, or more set on working practically, to give them an opportunity at school to be able to do that.
Each child is good at something, and we need to find that. And where do you find that? You find that at school. Because a child is either good with his hands, he's good at drawing, he's good at sports, he's good in academics, and the school system needs to find the space of where a child has a passion or is good at something. And it's very important for me, especially coming from that background, which the school didn't have that for me. And I was alienated and had to leave the existing facility to go and learn the technical schools elsewhere.
I think this faculty is also very, very important because it does not isolate students into different types of schools. Technical schools, unfortunately, have developed a little bit of a stigma, and students wanting to follow a technical education have tended to be isolated and not being able to take part in mainstream schools and mainstream activities. And I think giving students the opportunity to go to a mainstream school where they can be fully integrated, no stigma attached, I think is very, very important.
The technical and engineering faculty gives you the opportunity to learn the theory and the practical at the same time. It is vitally important for us in the industry to have a facility like Wynberg Boys rolled out countrywide to create a facility where children can learn a trade or to learn engineering subjects that they can use one day if they want to go into the industry.
I'm a matric at Wynberg Boys now, and I've applied to study at UCT for next year in construction management studies. And in the future, I hope to someday manage and own my own construction company. The faculty has opened my eyes to the possibility of that in general, as well as given me the confidence to know that I will love doing it.
Our vision is to roll out technical and engineering faculties within the current schools, both government and private. We have joined with LEAP schools to roll out our vision into their current schools. The first schools will be in Crossroads, Langa and Paarl. And we would like to roll out these schools for them countrywide. We are also looking to roll out these schools into existing government schools And wherever there is opportunity to have technical and engineering faculties as part of a school curriculum, our facility will give the children the opportunity to dream. And the children must never stop dreaming. And we, as part of the foundation, want to give the children of today hope and the opportunity to dream.